Good morning, guys, from Midtown, New York City, the Dream Hotel. I've gotten up, gotten ready, motivated and absolutely ready to go to hit those meetings today. Jackie's still getting showered up and dressed up for later on, and I'm just heading out to the lobby to get some coffee. Now this morning at 11 o'clock we've got a meeting with a management consultant. He's gonna advise us on how to set up the corporation. Now I was watching some of the footage from yesterday and I realized I really have to step up my game and get a bit of camera going for these vlogs, because the footage is oftentimes very shaky and the sound quality is also not the best, and that's just a GoPro problem. It's a GoPro issue that I won't really be able to stop when I get in the camera. But hopefully in March we'll get that done. Look who joined us on this wonderful Tuesday morning. You. You joined us. So, what are we doing today?
We are going to meet...
I told them
already. Alright.
So I think you've been quite productive this morning already. Get up, worked up.
Just kidding.
But some. But some.
But some, yes.
Well, we're going to take the blue line, the express to World Trade Center, and from there we're going to walk over to Water Trip Camping. From there we're going to find a place to have breakfast, and our meeting is at 11 o'clock and now it's about 9:30, so we've still got a little bit of time. So we just arrived here at Wall Street and we need to find 40 Wall Street, because that's where we've got our meeting in about 40 minutes, so we're still here well ahead of time, which is good. So this is where we have our meeting in about 40 minutes. Well, bunch of new experiences here.
Drar dem om. Der var en lift-selfie.
So we're going now to this awesome coffee place. I don't know if you've heard of it before. Starbucks, pretty new around here. Only very few shops in New York area. You know, being hip and all, that's where we like to go. No, but just kidding. We need a place to work quickly, and Starbucks is the closest that has power outlets, and later on we're going to go for some delicious sushi at a place we discovered while walking to the Shake Shack. So yeah, and it's snowing, but it doesn't feel too cold right now, so it's not too bad. Oh damn it, there's no room in Starbucks, so maybe we'll have to go to this coffee place here, which would be much better. It's such beautiful weather today in New York. Like, I don't know why you'd come here in summer. It's so nice in winter. Besides the freezing snow that's hurting my eyes. Yes, fish tacos. That looks fine. I like that. Yeah, we got a delicious sushi. I got myself a mixed sushi plate. And Vanilla got herself a perfect fantasy maki roll plate, which looks fantastic, I must say. I might be a little bit jealous. but I think mine is also very nice. So I'm getting the day started with a spinach quiche, a Argentinian beef empanada, small salad, cappuccino and espresso. So today we've got a lot of work to do again, and we're going to work from the rotisserie. And I think our challenge is going to be to complete around about 2 to 3 of these cards today. So let's do this. So we're now at the Apple store in the Central Station, just getting 2 issues checked out on our laptops. And the Genius bar, which is quite awesome. So let's see if they can help. So I'm having all sorts of video issues today. My GoPro is packed in, and with my GoPro anyway, I couldn't understand the word I said. I guess you could see it in the last 2 vlogs. And anyway, now it won't turn on. I have no idea why the battery's full. And next issue is my iPhone is almost completely filled with videos and pictures that I can't delete, so I have to keep my video recording fairly short. But you can see what the weather is like in New York today. It's crazy snowy, it's cold, it's wet, and we had one successful meeting with the Austrian Trade Commission, or with the Board of Economics in New York, and now we're on to the next meeting to meet up with the visa attorney to see what the situation is with our visa. And I was able to arrange another meeting for Saturday with the tax advisor. So the schedule is just still kind of tight, but we've got enough time to explore the city a little bit.
All of them got something. All of them got something.
So before our next meeting, we stopped here at a pretty cool espresso bar that's called Macchiato. 52nd. I'm just gonna grab a small little lunch and some coffee before we have the meeting. This is the biggest roast beef sandwich I've ever seen in my whole life. Hey guys, we are having a fantastic day. We had really good news today during the meeting with our visa attorney. Everything that we had planned is going to work as we planned it, which is really awesome, because now we can start to make our plans, turn our plans into reality. So the execution part of my little expansion project can start. And that's just great. So we're going out to celebrate, we're going out for some steak, and after that we're going to go to the cinema and look at this gorgeous lady. Yeah. Oh, she's so pretty. She is so pretty. New York is cold, snowy and rainy and wet.
But we love it!
But we love it. It's awesome. really gotta be careful for these big puddles of wet, ugly snow. Oh, gotta run.
There you go, this is the wine list. Get out of town, really?
Being naughty, eating some delicious, warm, fresh, bouncy bread. And I ordered myself an 18-ounce sirloin, bone-in sirloin steak. I'm really looking forward to that. Starting off with a Caesar salad. Now that is what I call a steak. Like in Austria you'd get like a steak that would be like this. And here you get like a steak, it's like my hand. That's awesome. As if this meal couldn't get better. A huge dish of creme brulee and an awesome espresso. Nice. And some wine.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm vlogging.
Really? Is that a camera? Like a video camera?
Yeah, it's a small camera.
That's, you see, that's European, that's small.
Actually, Gopro is an American brand.
Is it?
Yeah. So we're late for the cinema. So we're gonna rush with full stomachs. But if we don't hurry up, then we won't be able to buy some popcorn.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Nightmare!
The only reason why we're going to the cinema is to eat popcorn. What movie are we watching? I have no idea. It's
Like
comedy.
No, it's just like a young James Bond.
It's not like James Bond.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Jesus Christ, James Bond.
Yes.
Why are you angry? Tell us why you.
No, I will not tell you.
Why? So quick update. We're still late, but she's not angry with me anymore for being right. I think we made it. I hope all of you saw the domestic abuse, domestic violence.
So my quality check of the popcorn goes like this.
And how is the quality?
It's good.
It's good.
Look.